Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic DIY. Domestic Diva DIY. I forgot my name of my channel. Today I am participating in Inspired Fall and Halloween DIY Challenge. This challenge is hosted by Elena from Elena Jenkins DIY, and her co-host for this month is Faith Chick 777 DIY by Design. I will have both of their channels linked down below, and as well as the playlist, so that way you can check out all the other inspirations out there. The purpose of this challenge is to find something that inspires you and recreate it. So I have this lady that I follow, this girl lady. Her name is Erica at ADK. I think that's how you say it. I will have her channel linked down below with the video that had inspired this DIY for me. So I have been following her for a while. I originally started following her when I was doing some Disney trip planning, because she has lots of Disney type of videos on her channel. Well, she did before. I'm not sure she has posted any recently, but she does seasonal decorating, especially Halloween and Christmas, fall, Halloween, Christmas. So and I absolutely love them. I think she does a fabulous job. So I will have her link down below as well, so you can go check it out and see what inspired me. I obviously will be doing things a little bit different, just because I wasn't able to find quite as all the materials that she used. So but that is my inspiration for this project. So this is a Dollar Tree Halloween project for sure. So I had picked up this haunted house, and I could swear I had another one at home. That's why I only picked up one. Well, I cannot find it anywhere. So I ended up, I had chipboard, and I ended up tracing it and cutting out another one, so that way I have two. So otherwise, if you're gonna do this project, buy two of them. Even if you think you have one at home, still buy two. And then I picked up these window decorations that I'm thinking I might use, but I'm not 100% sure yet. With it, I have black acrylic paint and white acrylic paint and some craft sticks, and I also have these tiny little lights. They are kind of like Halloween color spooky lights. And you're gonna need some hot glue. So I'm going to only paint this side, because this is gonna be against the wall, so you're not gonna really see the back of it. And I'm going to put a very light coat of white, and then I'm going to dry brush black on top of it. So I'm going to get started. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry before I go ahead and apply another coat. So like I said, for the black paint, I'm gonna go with a very dry coat over it. Okay. So I really like the way this looks. I think it looks very aged and spooky. So now comes the tricky part, and I'm going to try and connect this one to the other one. So I think I'm gonna do coat, just a light strip of hot glue across, and work really fast with attaching these. Let's try this again. Okay. We're gonna do it this way. And I'm actually going to leave a little bit of it hanging out. I'll show you once it dries what I mean. So like a little walkway almost. And now I'm going to glue this one, and you want to make sure that they're just even, like right exactly across from each other for the roof. And now for the roof, I'm going to start turn it this way. Just contemplating if I should cut one. So I'm going to cut it right there where I marked it off, and I'm going to just put it in the middle just to keep it from going together like that. Pretty good. And now I'm going to put some hot glue on the edge and work very fast this time. Turn it around. Now I'm gonna go on this side. Okay, and now I'm gonna do the just here. I don't think I'm gonna go, or maybe I can go under it too. I know that this craft is a little different than what I typically do, but I thought this would be a fun craft. Fun little haunted house for my daycare kids. Okay, now I'm going to put just some on this roof, on this side. And you can always go around it if there's an area that's not sticking to fix it up. Okay, so obviously this side fell off. Now I'm going to work on this side. Okay, so let me show you. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to paint the house. with that black, just a bit more. The roof. It's more or less the roof that I'm painting. Okay, and now I'm going to put some of these stickers that I got on it. I just have to figure out where exactly I want them on. So I have this ghost, and I think I'm gonna put him on the inside. There. Ooh. And I think I have jack-o'-lanterns somewhere. I'm gonna go see where if I can find any. I have a bag of these foam decor pieces, and I found a cat. I think this cat might be a little too big. I might have to find a smaller one. But yeah, definitely too big. Let's see if I can find a smaller one. I'm gonna put these guys just like that. This one's a sticker. Some of them aren't stickers, but even though it's a sticker, it doesn't really stick very well. There, and then I'm going to put the cat in the window like that. Okay. And now I'm going to put some lights inside of it. Just gonna turn it this way. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So here it is. I absolutely love the way it turned out. I think it's cute and spooky all at the same time. I think the kids are gonna get a real kick out of it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing, pressing that notification bell so you don't miss out any of the upcoming Halloween or Thanksgiving DIYs that are coming your way in a couple weeks. And then we're gonna be moving on to Christmas. And I would like to thank the hostesses for hosting this challenge. Their channels are linked down below, as well as the playlist, so make sure you go check them out. And until next time, hope you guys have a spooktacular day. Thanks for watching.